Okay? All right, you're going to stay with kicking? Kick in. Emerson, play side. Okay, come on. Red ball right here. Red ball.
Hey, Mike, need to help him out. Who's he got? Number 19.
Red ball right here. Right here. Red ball.
Yo.
Hands up, move your feet, help each other out. Stay low, Kai, move your feet. Move your feet, don't reach.
Got a point. Bring it!
Squeeze it. Stand and watch it. Head up.
Other way, Shane.
Head up.
Ready? 5. Here. Little feet.
Hey, go. Right here, stack.
All right?
Look at him right back.
Red ball.
Lightning. Reset.
Red ball.
Hey, nobody behind you. Nobody behind you.
Stack it, Shane.
You can't.
Hey, get on this side. Don't let them do the basket.
Flip backward.
Let's go.
Punch it back. Reset. Your feet, don't reach. Hands up, your feet. Watch. Get it up. Head up. Hey, Black, set it up this time. Let's run something this time.
Stay outside.
Remember, just Good job, Logan. Good job. Close back. Hey, get in position. Lightning, get in position. Set up.
Watch out, Warren.
Set up. Here you go. Get in position. Set the screen. Move away.
Hey, Denver.
Position. Here we go. Defense. Don't reach. action. Head up, head up, head up.
Hit. 25.
Hey,
Go right here.
stack right here, stack
Go.
right here.
Black ball. Black ball. Black ball.
Call it, Kai.
Step
Stack.
back from it. Take a step.
Behind him, Chase.
Your arms gotta stay on this side, okay?
Behind him.
Gotta stay on this side.
Behind him, Calvin. Calvin, get behind him.
Hey, look up.
Head up, head up, head up, head up. Head up, move, move, move. Good job, Red. Good job, baby. Eat up, girl. Eat up. Good situation, that's okay. Good job. Freeze it. Get a rebound. Follow the ball. Follow the shot. Back up, back up. Follow up, follow up, back up. You can.
Rebound. Rebound.
Hey, D up, lightning, D up. Hey, move your feet, lightning, move your feet. Hands up. Move your feet, move your feet. Hands up.
Oh, good job, Marcus.
Good job, Tyler.
Good job, Marcus.
Hands up, hands up, hands up, move your feet. Kai, you sit.
Are you
Hey,
good?
Kai, in the middle, defense. Try, good job. Hey, good job. Squeeze it. Head up, head up. Good job, Jim. Head up, head up. Look back, look back. Move your feet, move your feet. Rebound. Squeeze it in, squeeze it. Good job. Hey, you gotta squeeze it. Hey, 2 seconds, 2 seconds.
Those 6 plays. Let's go.
Hey, slide to the middle, slide to the middle. Come to the middle. That's okay, guys.
Good job. We good over here. Hustle back. Hustle over.